That's right, Elliot, because most clinicians are quite scared of couples. Most clinicians steer away from couple therapy because couples launch into this problem talk and the blaming game. So,
Yes.
how do you keep the conversation productive between couples and prevent this blaming game from happening?
Well, it goes back to your first question. If I'm having a conversation about a person's desired outcome from therapy, then those blaming games don't take place. It's just like a fire. You know, if there's no environment appropriate for a fire, there won't be a fire. And if I can have a conversation with a couple about their desired outcome, the environment is not appropriate for blame. In fact, the environment is appropriate for credit and compliments
Right.
instead of blaming and insults. So if we start having a conversation about what do you hope to get out of therapy, and let's say a couple says to be happy again, and I ask questions like, in your previous iteration of happiness, what did each of you do to contribute to that happiness happening? All of a sudden, instead of blaming each other for a problem, we're giving credit and compliments for the presence of the previous happiness, and that gives us something to build a conversation with. And they're just two very different things. I think you're 100% right. Most couples therapists don't want to do couples therapy. Most people try to avoid having conversation with people who are pissed off. And in couples therapy, someone's usually pissed off.
Yeah.
And if I can have a conversation with people about the desired outcome, they become the better version of themselves.